A civil case involving a UNA student who says her professor drugged and raped her will likely go to trial. That comes after several key decisions made by a federal judge. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Schaefer.
And I'm Naja Sherman. WAAY-31's Brecken Terry went through that 29-page opinion. She joins us now with new details on the case of Jane Doe versus the University of North Alabama.
This case has had no movement in the last year until now. A federal judge ruled UNA's motion to dismiss the case entirely is denied and will likely go before a jury. But the judge also denied Jane Doe's individual claims against staffers, ranging from UNA's president to a Title IX coordinator and other professors. In her lawsuit filed in December 2017, the UNA student called Jane Doe claims she was groped, drugged, and raped by Professor David Dickerson while on a university trip in Florida. Jane Doe's lawsuit says the university and staff never did anything to protect her after the incident and even told her to leave campus while keeping Dickerson employed for months. Jane Doe's lawsuit also claims Dickerson had a previous rape charge in Maryland against his then 19-year-old wife. Those charges were dropped, but the lawsuit says the university did not do its due diligence in a proper background check on Dickerson. The university said nothing showed up in his criminal record, and it did everything it could to protect Jane Doe. This 29-page opinion by a federal judge covers decisions in 4 motions. Among them, he granted Jane Doe's motion for discovery, which means her attorneys will be able to look at UNA's evidence in the case. But he denied Jane Doe's claims against individual university staff members. He said her claims are only viable against UNA staff as a whole. UNA told us in this response, "We are pleased that the court dismissed a number of claims against university administrators." UNA officials also tell us they're looking forward to proving how they complied with Title IX. According to court documents, Dickerson himself is seeking $7 million in damages because he says he was wrongfully terminated. Dickerson himself has never been criminally charged in this case. In Florence, Brecken Terry, WAAY-31 News.
The judge has ordered UNA to respond with an update on Dickerson's legal proceedings by April 5th.
The next steps in this case will be the university handing over discovery to Jane Doe's attorneys, and then briefings with both sides may be held. It's unclear when that will happen.